When disaster hits, most people run away. A rare few run toward it and control it. The question is, will you be the one everyone depends on when the world starts falling apart? Most have never heard of this role, yet it's the one job that keeps every other life-saving career alive. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. If you want to hear more, like and subscribe. This is an EMT Safety Officer, the person who turns chaos into control. Picture it. The smell of gasoline in the air, red and blue lights strobing off wet pavement, metal twisted like paper. You're not here to just witness it. You're here to make sure your crew walks away safe. Your eyes sweep the scene, power lines swaying, bystanders inching too close, fuel pooling under an overturned SUV. Every second counts, and you see it all before anyone else does. The EMT Safety Officer is a scene commander for safety. You coordinate with fire, police, and hospitals. You decide where it's safe to move, who enters the hot zone, and when to pull people out. The path in? 1. EMT or paramedic certification, National Registry of EMTs. 2. FEMA Incident Safety Officer training. 3. Safety and operations courses from NAEMT. You'll find roles in top-tier hospitals, fire and rescue departments, and private ambulance companies with strict safety standards. Pay runs $55K to $90K plus with higher potential in major cities. But the real flex? It's AI-proof. No robot reads danger like you can. You start to see the world differently. In a concert crowd, you know the exits before the first song drops. On a busy street, you can read tension in a stranger's shoulders before they even move. Your friends call it paranoia. You call it preparedness. And when you step into a scene, the way people look at you changes. They know you're the one holding the line between safety and disaster. How to get in fast. Step 1. Get EMT certified through the National Registry of EMTs. This is your entry ticket. Step 2. Complete FEMA Incident Safety Officer and NAEMT Safety Officer training. Stack your credentials. Step 3. Show up at EMS World Expo and local emergency management events. Shake hands with chiefs, hiring managers, and decision-makers. In an emergency, hesitation kills, but decisive leadership saves lives. This is more than a paycheck. It's walking into chaos and leaving it under control. It's knowing people will live because you made the right call when seconds mattered. It's leadership, respect, and purpose, rolled into one unstoppable role. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Links to everything you need to get started are in the description.